injury. Ito, ang ating Ginebra San Miguel premium best play of the game as Rudy Hatfield gets it back. Rudy Hatfield of Ginebra San Miguel Premium Gin best play of the game. Have a good time with Ginebra San Miguel Premium Gin. Make yours a premium experience.
Well, Ed, matagal-tagal na natin hindi nakikita si Dorian Peña on the floor, no? That's because Coach Reyes is just matching up to what Ginebra has on the floor. I think it's important that San Miguel establishes its own game.
Wow!
That's a big victory.
With the TM3, sa tingin ng TM ang pinalakas sa Turks Mobile as we go into the last 2 minutes. Ang ating Outlast 2 minutes. Atin sa inyo ng Outlast batteries. Wala nang iba.
One clutch shot after another coming from Olsen Marcela.
Nakawala si JJ Helderman.
Celebration!
Wala. Loose ball. Picked up by Kagiwa. Teka, may loose ball foul. Teka. Wala ho. Hindi ho kasi makakarinigan dito eh.
Looks like a loose ball foul. It might be against San Miguel. Si Hontiveros sa matatawagan. I thought there might have also been a second motion against Mamaril.
Pang-apat kay Don Hontiveros. Labang ang Barangay Ginebra ng isa, 90-89.
Well, yun ang handicap ng San Miguel ngayon. No? They're playing with a small lineup and they're trying to out-rebound the big men of Ginebra who all have the big advantage of getting those loose balls, especially when they have to go up high for the ball.
Pero Mamaril, ay tanang kanina, he missed 2 free throws. Ooh! Ayaw pa rin.
1 point lead by Ginebra.
Ano iniisip kayo, Coach Tommy Gay, Coach Chot Reyes?
Well, ang problema dito, momentum-wise, no? He has to choose now how he's going to change the momentum in 1 minute and 45, no? It's going to be very difficult.
Well, at this point, no, he can bring back Dorian Peña to try to establish a new game plan. Uy, pinanda na ni Billy Mamaril.
Nalakasan ang gusto.
Para sigurado.
Bumanda. 2-point lead for Barangay Ginebra, 91-89. A minute and 38 to go. Don Hontiveros may tanga ng bola.
Oh, this game is far from over.
Oh!
Far from over.
To say that again. Danny Single pumaposte. Bihingi. Pinato na kagad. Ni Don Hontiveros. Loose ball. Picked up by Danny Ildefonso. He goes up. Wala! Single! Chips it in! And we're tied at 91. Deadlocked at 91 all with 1 minute and 21 seconds to go. Can this game be any closer? Hoy, JJ Helderman, tuloy-tuloy. Billy Mamaril, pinaon sa likod ni Don Hontiveros. Yes, Don Hontiveros. Pero tinamaan din si Danny Ildefonso. Nako.
Emotions are running high. Patapos na ang laro natin. Possibly patapos na rin ang ating serye. Danny Ildefonso reacted to some physicality. Si Mamaril now at the line. Kanina, he missed 1. Yung pangalawang free throw niya, pinanda niya to make sure. Ano kaya ang gagawin ni Billy ngayon? Ibabanda kaya niya? 2 out of 6 from the free throw line in sa game.
Ooh, still some free throw shooting close. Dominic, may balita ba tayo kay Rudy Hatfield?
Oo, hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin tumitigil yung dugo dun sa ilong nitong si Rudy Hatfield. Ang nangyari dun he actually got the rebound. Tumama siya sa tuhod ng isang San Miguel Beerman. Pero sabi naman ng doctor natin dito sa PBA, may sugat lang siya dun sa ilong. It's just a deep cut inside the nose.
That's a bit of good news, ano? Dahil at least walang sinasabing broken nose, ano? But Rudy Hatfield still cooling his heels. Samantala, 92-91, Barangay Ginebra by 1. We have a timeout. Ngayong gabi, Gid, sa mga amigo nato dira sa Panay Island, kang sa Negros, kay sadya naman, kay hampang naman ang Barangay Ginebra kag San Miguel Beer. Game 6 at isa lang ang lamang ng Barangay Ginebra, 92-91. Nasa San Miguel ang bola, 1 minute and 6 seconds to go.
Most teams in the penalty.
Olsen Rosella down low to Danny Siegel. Siegel puts it up. Mahina. And the ball goes out of bounds. It will stay with San Miguel, says referee Kalungkagin.
Nag-zone ng Ginebra doon, na-overload, na-libre si Danny Siegel. Ano? So,
minsan, nagugulat din ng San Miguel. This very shifting defense na pinapakita ng Barangay Ginebra.
Papalit-palit.
Very unpredictable Don Hontiveros gets it back to Danny Siegel. Siegel to Lordy Tugade! A big shot by Lordy! TM3 sa din sa inyo ng TM. pinalakas na touch mobile. 9 points for Nordy Tugade.
That's why he's in the game for the 3-point shot.
And it's a 2-point lead by San Miguel. We have a timeout.
Okay, 2-point lead with Barangay Ginebra in the possession. On timeouts, marami pa, ha? San Miguel has 2 timeouts left, 1 full and 1:30. At ang Barangay Ginebra, 2 full and 2:30.
Ito, substitution. Now, Wesley Gonzalez has been sent in for Dondon Ontiveros by Coach Chot Reyes.
Okay, he's another weapon. Also has been playing good defense against Kagiwa.
Ito si Helterbrand. Helterbrand against Rosella. Binigay kay Sunday Salvacion! Yes! Ano yun?
Dalawa lang.
2 points. So, tabla tayo.
Salvacion has been on fire sa ating second half. He's got 18 points.
But hindi ito si Sunday Salvacion, ano ha?
At hindi lang yun, he's being set up. His teammates are looking for him. They're looking to execute. And Sunday is delivering.
Ito makikita natin. Talaga hinanap ni JJ Helterbrand Hinanap niya si Sunday Salvacion. Humahabol si Nordy Tugade. But he is a tad too late. Sunday Salvacion scores his 18th point of the game and deadlocks the count at 94-all with shade under 36 seconds remaining in the game. Coach Tommy, ano sa palagay mo ang gagawin naman ngayon ni Coach Chot Reyes?
Well, he'll try to go to low post, I think, to get a foul. No? Ayaw niya ng outside shot, no? Dahil you only have 35 seconds left. You must take a good shot, It's not an outside
high percentage.
Question, anong klaseng depensa kaya ang ilalaro ng
Correct, yun ang mangyayari. So he must draw out 2 plays, no? One play if it's a zone and then the other play if it's a man-to-man, no?
Yes. Ano ba yan? Makukuha na ba yan? Ang ganda ng trophy, that's the Philippine Cup trophy.
And crafted by Ramon Ordina.
Yung magaling
National artist.
National artist natin. At si Coach Chot Reyes, sinasabi niya, huwag niyo munang hahawakan yan. Baka sa linggo pa natin pagtuusan yan.
Yan ang mga lobo na nakikita natin. Up on top of the rafters ng Araneta Coliseum.
Game reset. Pareho na sa penalty niyan.
Okay, San Miguel Beer only with 1 full timeout left. Here we go.
Sa kanila ang bola na sa front court ng San Miguel. We are tied at 94. Binigay kay Dondon Ontiveros. Nakabalik na pa rin si Dondon during the timeout. Ontiveros habang kay Mark Kagiwa. Ontiveros, tuloy-tuloy. Pinabas kay Olsen Rosella. Pinas pa sunod kay Dondon. Dondon Ontiveros goes up. Wala. Loose ball. Nordy Tugade! Wala. Loose ball na naman. Rebound trouble. JJ Helterbrand. Outside for Barangay Ginebra. Tawag ni referee Herrera. And Olsen Rosella is trying to tumawag ng timeout.
Tumawag ng timeout, 16.9 seconds to go. Olsen Rosella is trying to question the call.
And, well, referee Herrera has made his decision. Pero tayong timeout. Let's go back to ABC 5.
We'll go for the last shot.
Coaching styles. John Wichico, very active yung kanyang assistant coach na si Shot Tangkinsen.
That's right. Ang advantage nila doon is they've been together for some time. Plus the fact that Chot has actually coached this team, no? While the takeover of Chot Reyes, no, of San Miguel, you can see Chot comes from the style of Team Cone, no? Which is really on his own, no? And the staff is just supporting, no? While the other one, they have actually 2 coaches doing the job.
Eto, merong gagawing situational substitution si Coach Chot Reyes.
Also, a little bit of controversy. Yung pagtawag ng timeout ni JJ Helterbrand, kine-question ng San Miguel that he was falling out of bounds. There is a rule that says you cannot call a timeout if you're falling out of bounds. You have to have good established possession of the ball bago ka pwede magtawag ng timeout.
But the referee has made his decision.
Yes.
And it will stand. And sinasabi kong substitution ni Coach Chot Reyes, si Willie Wilson has not seen action in this ball game, I believe.
Yes, hindi pa naglalaro.
Kasama si Wesley Gonzalez.
Okay, he's there for defensive purposes, obviously.
John Wichico.
Sasha, tama. 131 full. Sino pa pala dito? Ito si Ronald Goods. Okay, Johnny A. Ronald. Dito ka, Ronald. Johnny A pop out. JJ pop out. Isolate. Last shot. Last shot, ha? Hey, make sure you get the ball, ha? Hey,
Okay, that was pretty clear. They want to go for the last shot. 16.9 seconds. Ang nalalabi sa larong ito, mga kaibigan. We are deadlocked at 94 all. And hanging in the balance is whether we're going to have another game on Sunday or not. Pagka nakascore itong Barangay Ginebra at hindi na nakabalik itong San Miguel Beer, tapos na po ang serye. Ibig sabihin, magwawagi na po ang Barangay Ginebra ng ating Philippine Cup Finals if they are able to score in this last few seconds of the ball game, not allow San Miguel Beer to get the ball possession once again. May 30-second timeout na tinawag. Yung Barangay Ginebra pa rin, di pa sila tapos.
Shooters,
Yes.
tsaka outside shooters, no? So they will isolate, I think, one player on top. I think it's Hildebrand, no?
That's what we heard kanina.
Practically all small players
All
on the
small
floor.
players,
Wala
correct.
namang
Wala na rebound ito.
Oo.
Si Tubit trying to get a foul as usual.
Okay, this could be the last play of the season.
16.9 seconds to go. Deadlocked at 94. Both teams in the penalty. Ito na, inbound ni Sunday Salvacion. Binigay kay Ronald Tubid. Tubid, umaangat. Hinahanap si Mark Tagiwa. Tagiwa, 10 seconds to go. Helterbrand has it. Ito na si Helterbrand. One-on-one against Wilson! May foul! May foul! May foul! And they will send Helterbrand to the line with 2.9 seconds to go. 2.9 seconds to go. J.J. Helterbrand will be sent to the line.
Willie Wilson, fresh off the bench, had not played a single second in this game. Coming in to play defense, si Danny Siegel, pinaupo muna ni Coach Chot Reyes to give a chance for his defensive combination on the floor, but they gave up the foul.
Helterbrand is a 63.6% free throw shooter. 63.6%. 2.9 seconds to go, deadlocked at 94 in Game 6. First by Helterbrand is good! And Tagiwa goes over to kiss him. Was that JJ's, nakita mo ba yun? Hindi ko masyado napansin eh. Ayun.
Yon ang wife ni JJ, si Charlotte. And she's very, very quiet. She's praying that JJ makes another free throw.
Para makauwi na sila.
Oo. Celebrate.
Nakabook na ang flight.
19 points and 7 assists. Has not missed from the free throw line sa game. 9 out of 9.
And it makes two. J.J. Helterbrand gives Barangay Ginebra a 2-point lead with a shade under 3 seconds remaining in the game. We have a timeout. Not much not too many options here para kay Coach Chot Reyes.
Yeah, the play of Chong Mochico was simplistic. This one will have to have more options, no? Because they don't have the time anymore, no? I don't think they're really going for a 3, no? They're going for a quick 2, either
Extend the ball game.
just to stay in the ball game. Unless they're forced to throw a 3 after the first option.
2.9 seconds to go. 2.9 seconds. Labang ang Ginebra ng dalawa. San Miguel inbounding Olsen Rosera.
A lot of three-point shooters on the floor, however.
Oy.
He needs to pass the ball.
Ayun, si Lodi Tugani! Wala! Barangay Ginebra wins it! Barangay Ginebra wins it in 6 games after falling behind 0-2. Ang Barangay Ginebra wins 4 straight. Only the 5th team in PBA history to come back from a 0-2 deficit. At kahit dito sa game na ito, Inito and Tommy ay
Very dramatic ending. Alam mo, partner, yung defense ang pinakita ng Ginebra, ang key doon, hindi yung last shot ni Tugade. The fact that Olsen Rosella had a difficult time inbounding the ball.
Yes.
That kind of defense of Barangay Ginebra spelled the difference. Kaya nung nakahawak ng bola, si Lodi Tugade deep in the far corner to take the 3-point shot. Haras na sila eh.
Lahat ng options sila nawala, no? So yun lang ang nabuksan, which is the left side. They covered the pass to the middle, which is the better option.
But I'd like to find out from you two, no? for most of the game, San Miguel was leading. They led by as many as 16 points. How did Barangay Ginebra manage to come back?
I thought a lot of it was because of their tough defense. Yung kanilang full court press, created turnovers para sa kanila. Tapos yung energy level nila, no, was simply fantastic. Nakita natin yung energy level na pinigay ni JJ, ni Rudy Hatfield. Tapos, I thought that San Miguel was reacting to a lot of the plays ng Ginebra rather than San Miguel trying to establish yung kanilang game. Nawala si Danny Siegel ng a lot of minutes. Tapos si Dorian Peña, halos hindi na naglaro ng second half.
Ito yung last play nung 2.9 seconds to go. No? Lodi Tucani was able to put a shot, get a shot off, pero hindi pumasok. Coach Tommy, your assessment?
Well, I think Chot Reyes thought he had the game won, no? After the first half.
Yeah.
So that's why he was having the luxury of keeping Danny Siegel for a long time and allowed Ginebra to come back, no? But what happens when Ginebra comes back? The crowd comes into the play, and Hildebrand just took over the game again with Kagiwa seeking the crucial shots. But at the end of the day, it was the defense of Ginebra, the hustling defense of Ginebra that did not allow San Miguel to execute, no?
That's right. Ang nagagawa nila in the early goings of the game, yung kanilang low post play, yung kanilang inside game, pagkatapos bumalik nga itong Barangay Ginebra. Yan po ang ating final score in the series and in the conference, 96-94. Barangay Ginebra winning by the skin of their teeth. At syempre, habang nanonood po kayo ng just in a short while, ay magkakaroon na po tayo ng mga awarding ceremonies. Mark Cargiwa, Ronald Tubid. Kita po ninyo ang kaligayahan sa makamukha ng ating mga Barangay Ginebra players at ng fans. Siyempre, sigaw ng bayan at ng Recon 40 para sa Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings at San Miguel Beermen. Kaya niyo yan at kinaya nga po ng Barangay Ginebra to win 4 straight. Apat na sunod-sunod na laro. Johnny Abarientos and Coach Shot Tankinsen there. At this was also a great game. Quality minutes binigay ni Johnny Abarientos para sa Barangay Ginebra tonight.
Well, total team effort on the part of Barangay Ginebra, no? Getting the job done on defense, tapos in offense, nakita natin sa first half, kontrolado ng San Miguel yung tempo ng laro, no? They were playing slow down and deliberate.